Hi, I'm Sally. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll take a plain menu like this and turn it into this design. You can use these same skills in your own menu designs. Now, let's dive right in. First, let's create. Choose presentations. The canvas size of the presentation option is 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. No matter the size of your TVs, if your TV or display is mounted wide, choose 1920 by 1080. If it's standing tall, choose 1080 by 1920. These are the standard HD screen sizes. In this video, we are going to choose horizontal 1920 by 1080. I've opened an existing design because this video focuses on the second board. We'll be designing the second board in this same file. So, you might notice there's another design here. I covered the design in a separate video. You will find the link in the card at the top. So I will start with a blank page. We will create text box here. Change it to left justified. Let's bold it. Change the color. Let's search for the font we need. Click on the font name, then type it in the search box. Copy and paste. Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, and if you made a mistake, Ctrl+Z to undo. Remember, these shortcut keys are your best friends. Change the size. Throughout the design process, we will maintain the minimum font size for readability. Let me show you the recommended font chart. The font size should be adjusted accordingly, depending on your TV size and the distance between the customer and the TV. You can refer to the chart. The chart is showing recommended font sizes. For example, if your TV is 50 inches and 7 feet away from the customer, 18-point size is recommended. However, please note, these values are approximate. The font size might differ depending on your case. Since we are going to use the same font, let's copy and paste existing text box. To speed up the process, I will copy and paste the menu info. Now let's add a line. Go to Elements, choose Shape, select Straight Line. Let's rotate it. Change the line thickness, making the rest of the items change it to right justified. We will add a price. Now let's add a line. Change the line thickness and adjust the transparency. Adjusting the spacing here. Now let's go to Uploads. Here, let's upload image. You can download the images used for the tutorial at the link in the description. Click on the image to place it. Let's remove the background. If you're using Canva Pro, you can remove the background directly in Canva. Otherwise, you can use Adobe Express. Their background remover is free and the link is in the description. Let's flip this image. Let's rotate it. Now we will work on shadow effects. Go to Elements. Let's search for a shadow element. Under Graphics, move to the right to look for the Price tab and choose the Free Filter option. Click on the element to place it. We will make multiple copies of the shadow but make them in different sizes. And overlap them to make it stronger. Let's rotate it. And this is the same steps we did. Let's bring the image to the front. Right-click on it, then you will see the option. You can drag and drop the area to select multiple objects. Making small adjustments here. Let's bring the object to back. Quick adjustment here. Let's make a shape. Choose shape. Now change the color. Change the size. Here, let's upload image. Click on the image to place it. Let's remove the background. Let's flip this image. Now we will work on shadow effects. Let's search for a shadow element. You can also find it under recently used. These steps are basically the same as what we covered so far. Making small adjustments here. Let's search for a different shadow element. These steps are basically the same as what we covered so far. Since we are going to use the same font, let's copy and paste existing text box. Adjust the line spacing. After this, we will add a price. To deselect it, hold the Shift key, then click on the object to deselect it. Let's add an image. Okay, here I will fast forward the same steps. Let's search for an image. Under Photos, move to the right to look for the Price tab and choose the Free Filter option. Under Graphics, let's search for an element. Again, choose the Free Filter option. Let's make a shape. Overlap it. Now change the color. Let's bring the object to back. Let's group it. Let's bring the object to back. Quick adjustment here. And this is the same steps we did. Let's search for a shadow element. We covered these steps. Now we will add another category. Now let's add a line. Let's rotate it. Change the size. We will make a white box here so the Coke image is partly cut off. Okay, here I will fast forward the same steps. Let's add an image. Let's flip this image. Let's search for an image. Under Photos and choose the free filter option. We're almost done here. Again, there's a part 1 for this design. If you want to watch the video, the link is in the description. After this, let's move on to next step. Now, all done. Let's rename it to your restaurant name. Go to File, then click on Move. Look under All and under your projects. Here, create a new folder. Let's name it as your restaurant name as well. Let me close this to show you how to open it for next time. This screen is what you will see first when you open Canva. Under Projects, you will see the folder you created here. Now let's export it. Go to Share and click on Download. Now under the drop-down menu, choose PNG. You can select the pages you want to export. When you are done, click Download. Now save the PNG image files you downloaded in your USB stick, then plug it in your smart TV. Every TV is different, but there is a setting where you can display media files in your USB. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you for staying with me. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. If you want to skip the setup, you can grab the editable template from my store. The link is in the description. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.